A Royal Enfield Scram 411 sits at the edge of a bustling street, its silhouette sharp against the backdrop of the city. The rider walks up, zipping up a jacket, and swings a leg over the seat. With a flick of the wrist, the engine comes alive, the signature thump echoing through the streets. The bike rolls forward, effortlessly navigating narrow alleys and wide avenues. Traffic fades into the background as the Scram weaves between cars, the rider in sync with every movement. The bike's nimble handling and responsive throttle make each turn feel natural, almost instinctive. Suddenly, the road ahead shifts, city concrete gives way to gravel. The rider doesn't slow down. The Scram 411 powers forward, its rugged tires biting into the loose surface. Dust rises behind as the bike carves its path along the trail, the front suspension soaking up the bumps with ease. The journey continues uphill, twisting through rough terrain. The rider stands slightly, gripping the handlebars as the Scram maneuvers over rocks and dips, effortlessly balancing power and control. Each rev of the engine feels like an invitation to explore further. At the summit, the rider stops. The world below stretches endlessly. The wind brushes past as the rider removes the helmet, placing it on the handlebar. For a moment, there's just silence, the Scram 411 standing tall like a trusted companion. With the sun dipping low, the rider fires up the engine once more, descending back towards the city lights in the distance. The Scram 411 cuts through the fading daylight, its headlamp glowing like a beacon leading the way home. Adventure doesn't wait, neither does the Scram 411.